back to Brian's Knives. Thought we could do something a little different today. I've been looking for a way to track my knife inventory. I'm sure this has been a topic you've thought about too. And I know many people track these by, Excel spreadsheets, maybe even a digital database. Some just use a written notebook or a notebook. They write in the details of their knife collection. But I wanted to do something probably electronic at least. And so I found an app today. My brother uses this for some things that he tracks, but it's called iCollect Everything. And this is it right here. And so it allows you to go in and make your own collection. They have a bunch of made ones too, for all sorts of things, from Pez dispensers to movies to comic books to ornaments to, just more than you can imagine. But nothing for knives, interestingly enough. So I've been messing around with it a little bit today. Thought I'd share just what I've done. Maybe it will give you some ideas on how to track your knife collection. So I went in and I added a knife to my collection. And it's a buck 175 that my dad gave me a couple of years ago. And so I took some photos and added it here to this entry. And it gives you several places to add photos. Does a pretty nice job with that. And so then I created some fields that I wanted to track. And these are probably going to change. This is just my initial thinking about this. So I set one up for brand, model, the date that I acquired it, where I acquired it, the price I paid, the value. That's not right either. Let's see. It's going to be more like $50, I think. Hit that. Okay. And then any notes that I might want to make about the item, the date that it was made, and then the condition of it. And so it's pretty neat. You can enter, these fields and set them up however you want, and you can track all these different things. And so once you get it set up, it shows here in your list of items. And you can also do a wish list of things that maybe you're looking for. And then you can also switch and say you want one for watches. And you can pick watches over here. And I don't have anything in watches, but I can create something. If you have a barcode, you can scan it and it'll pick the information for you. But if not, you're just going to pick the kind of watch that you have. And there you go. And then you can go through and give it, all these different bits of information you can enter. And then when you get done there, you can hit save. And now you've got a watch showing up in your collection. I'm going to go back. And I'm going to go back to my custom collections where I made this knife one here. And there's my buck 175 again. So overall, I think it's pretty neat. It's free up to so many items. And then you can make a one-time purchase. I think unlimited for all of the collections is $59. So I'll probably do that at some point. Once I get a little bit more familiar with it and make sure I like it well enough. But I just thought I'd share something I found that might be of interest to all of you knife guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys have a great day. Stay warm out there, and God bless each one of you. All right.